Hi everybody. Alright, you're welcome to Mathz Pidgin with Mr. Mathz. Now wetin dey call me, but my name is IQ. Now, this channel, we dey use Nigeria broken common English language to simplify mathematics. We dey break some mathematical abstract terms, make I use that Oyibo, into the language wey we fit understand. Because we understand say sometimes mathematics no because e hard, maybe na the Oyibo wey we dey use teach am na im make people no dey understand. So all those maths, plenty Oyibo wey you no understand, we don break am down using our swag for Pidgin English. So na wetin this channel be. Now we dey take maths from elementary level, that's secondary level, to A level. Now wetin we dey do to this channel, we take maths from elementary level reach A level. So from the simple part to the complex part, from the general part to specific parts, make I use that language. I hope I no dey speak Oyibo too much. So if you stick to this channel, we go break down everything wey you dey find difficult for maths for you, wey we go use Pidgin. Thank you. Stay locked, stay subscribed, stay tuned, and stay with Mr. Mathz in Mathz Pidgin. Thank you.